डॉक्टर आपको बीमारी होने पे इलाज करते हैं और आपकी तकलीफें दूर करते हैं और हमें मालूम है कि आगे भी शायद हमें बीमारी हो सकती है। वैसे ही हम भी वो इंश्योरेंस डॉक्टर है जो आपके घर कुछ ही मिनट या घंटे में पहुंच जाएंगे और आपकी लाइफ की सारी तकलीफों को ठीक कर देंगे। और आपको मिलने के लिए हमें सिर्फ आपका टाइम दीजिए और हमें कॉल करिए।
We work very hard to fulfill our dreams and grow in our careers. And we are careful with our money and make disciplined investments to reach our goals. What happens if there is a sudden health emergency? Are we in a position to cope up? Millions of households in India have become victims of financial stress due to rising medical costs as per a WHO report in 2017. Health insurance is a basic necessity. A little investment in health insurance can help you protect your savings. Star Health's Medi-Classic insurance policy is designed to offer quality healthcare at affordable premiums. What's special about Star Health's Medi-Classic health insurance policy? The policy provides cover to anyone with an entry age between 16 days to 65 years. It offers health benefits and bonus option at an affordable premium. Also, there are no limits on exit age and the plan comes with a guarantee of lifelong renewals. What does the Medi-Classic insurance plan offer? The plan comes with cover for all-day care procedures, automatic restoration of 200% sum insured once during policy period, non-allopathic treatment up to 25% of the basic sum insured, health checkup once in every 4 years, and many more must-have features. With Medi-Classic Gold Plan, you can also enjoy super restoration up to 100% of sum insured for same ailment in subsequent hospitalization, domiciliary hospitalization for more than 3 days, 50% additional sum insured for road traffic accident (RTA), organ donation expenses, get enhanced cover from room rent, newborn baby cover, ambulance charges and many other expenses. Why choose Star Health? Star Health is trusted by 55 lakh policyholders and covers more than 1.6 crore lives in India. With Star Health Insurance, you can enjoy cashless treatment at across 10,000 hospitals, pan-India presence with 1,000 plus offices, cashless claims approved within 30 minutes, hassle-free in-house claim settlement without intervention of TPA. Who can opt for Medi-Classic insurance plan? Individuals with an entry age between 5 months to 65 years. For Gold Plan, the entry age is further reduced to 16 days. Also, there are no limits on exit age and the plan comes with a guarantee of lifelong renewals. Enjoy the benefits of Star Wellness and Talk to Star program. At Star Health, we care about you and your family's well-being. The Medi-Classic policy allows you to be part of the Star Wellness and Talk to Star programs. Star Wellness program. It's a unique program that helps you maintain a healthy lifestyle. You can attend various wellness webinars and seek help for condition management. Talk to Star program. You can get user-friendly and effective consultation from medical experts on the phone. You can take expert advice on medical guidance, personalized wellness advice, and even take second opinion from doctors through this program. Your search for a health cover with an affordable premium ends with Star Health Medi-Classic. Reach out to your insurance advisor for more details.
क्या आप तैयार हैं भविष्य में आने वाली समस्याओं के लिए? अगर आपके साथ कोई दुर्घटना हो जाए या आप बीमार हो जाए और काम करने की हालत में ना रहे तो आप अपने अस्पताल का बिल कैसे भरोगे? आप अपने घर और कार की इंस्टॉलमेंट कैसे भरोगे? आप अपने परिवार के खर्चों को कैसे पूरा करेंगे? आज ही हमसे अपने और अपने परिवार के लिए लाइफ इंश्योरेंस लीजिए। अधिक जानकारी के लिए हमसे संपर्क करें।